In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 French door refrigerators in 2025. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Number 5. LG 22.5Q FT InstaView TM. LG has been a leading manufacturer of home appliances for decades. This experience is evident in this model, which delivers excellent performance while integrating new features such as the InstaView door. The door allows users to see inside the fridge without opening it, thanks to its touchscreen display that lights up the interior. The display also lets you control the temperature and access settings. In terms of capacity, this refrigerator offers 22.5 cubic feet of space, divided into 3 sections. The lower section features an automatic ice maker and a drawer for fruits and vegetables. The middle compartment has adjustable shelves and can accommodate tall items. The upper section includes a deli drawer and 2 compartments with sliding doors, ideal for dairy products and beverages. Despite being slightly deeper than standard counter-depth refrigerators, the LG LRC R2256ST retains an integrated look when installed correctly. However, the handle protrudes and may obstruct the opening of nearby cabinets. This refrigerator uses eco-friendly R600A refrigerant, reducing its impact on the environment. It also comes with LG's Smart Diagnosis System, which helps troubleshoot problems with the appliance. The refrigerator performs well in temperature maintenance tests, keeping food safe and fresh. However, the ice maker takes longer than average to produce ice. Overall, the LG 22.5Q F2 InstaView TM refrigerator is a great choice for those seeking an integrated look and innovative features such as the InstaView door. While it has some minor drawbacks, these are outweighed by its overall performance and design. Number 4. GE 27.7Q FT French door. If you're looking for a French door refrigerator with ample storage space and advanced features like an ultra-bright LED interior and adjustable humidity drawers, the GE GDE 27 Binds is worth considering. With 27.7 cubic feet of total capacity, this side-by-side model offers plenty of room for all your groceries. The bottom freezer boasts an impressive 10.9 cubic feet of space, perfect for storing frozen goods and creating ice. Meanwhile, the refrigerator section features adjustable gallon door bins, adjustable humidity drawers, and reversible glass shelves with a center divider. You'll never have trouble organizing your produce and other perishable items again. Plus, the spill-proof door bins ensure that spills are contained and easy to clean up. One standout feature of this refrigerator is its twin evaporator system, which maintains separate cooling and humidity levels for the freezer and refrigerator sections. This means that you can store delicate items like berries and herbs in the adjustable humidity drawers without worrying about the freezer's cold air affecting them. Additionally, the temperature alarms notify you if the door is left open or if there's a power outage. Other notable features include a bright LED interior light that makes it easy to find what you need, adjustable feet for leveling, and a water filter with an indicator light to let you know when it needs to be changed. The GE GDE 27 Binds comes in white, black, and stainless steel to match any kitchen decor. While the fingerprint-resistant stainless steel option is prone to smudges, it's also easier to clean than the other finishes. If you're looking for a sleek and modern look, the stainless steel finish is a great choice. Overall, the GE 27.7Q at French door refrigerator is an excellent option for those who want plenty of storage space and advanced features at an affordable price point. Number 3. LG Studio 27Q FT Counter Depth. The LG Studio S27 HAL87VC produces a sleek built-in look because it's designed to fit seamlessly into your cabinetry, with only 25 inches deep overall, making it one of the slimmest counter-depth refrigerators available. Despite its slim profile, it still provides plenty of storage space with 27 cubic feet of total capacity. It features a total of 5 shelves, including 3 in the refrigerator section and 2 in the freezer section. The middle shelf in the refrigerator section is adjustable, allowing you to customize the interior to fit your specific needs. Additionally, the butter stick compartment is large enough to hold up to 2 pounds of butter. The ice maker is also noteworthy as it produces more ice than most other models, making it ideal for frequent ice users. Unfortunately, the ice bin is small, so you'll need to empty it frequently. Despite its many positive features, the LG Studio S2787VC has some drawbacks. For example, it's not designed for freezing large quantities of food, so you may need to use a separate freezer for larger items. Additionally, it can struggle to maintain consistent temperatures, so you may need to check on your food to ensure it stays fresh. Finally, it doesn't come with Wi-Fi connectivity, which is becoming a common feature in newer refrigerators. However, despite these drawbacks, the LG Studio S2787VC is still a great choice for those looking for a sleek, slim-fitting counter-depth refrigerator with plenty of storage space. Number 2. Cafe 28.7 SU FT 4-door. The Cafe 4-door refrigerator is designed for those who desire both beauty and functionality in their kitchen. This refrigerator features a unique matte-on-matte finish, with a bold design and professionally handles. It comes in 4 colors: matte white, matte black, matte gray, and stainless steel, allowing you to choose the perfect fit for your kitchen. The Cafe CT981BPN specifically stands out, with its matte black exterior and brass interior, giving it a luxurious look. This refrigerator features 4 doors and 4 shelves, providing ample space for all your groceries. The French doors on the right open to reveal a full-width adjustable humidity drawer and 2 more shelves. The left side features 2 smaller doors that open to reveal an additional humidity drawer and a separate ice and water dispenser. The top freezer compartment has 2 shelves and a third shelf in the back that pulls out from under the ice dispenser. Despite its compact size, this refrigerator holds a whopping 28.7 cubic feet of food, making it perfect for large families or frequent grocery shoppers. The adjustable humidity drawers keep your produce fresh and crisp, while the door bins provide ample space for beverages and other essentials. The ice and water dispenser is a convenient addition, perfect for making drinks or cooking. Overall, the Cafe 28.7Q F-Tour 4-door refrigerator is a beautiful and functional addition to any kitchen. Its unique design, ample storage space, and convenient features make it a top choice for those who value both style and practicality in their appliances. Number 1. Bosch 800 Series. The Bosch 800 series is a top-of-the-line premium refrigerator that offers exceptional performance, advanced features, and a sleek design. It has a total capacity of 27.4 cubic feet, with 18.3 cubic feet in the refrigerator and 9.1 cubic feet in the freezer. The refrigerator section features 3 spacious shelves, with one featuring auto-sliding functionality, allowing easy access to the back of the unit. There are also 2 humidity drawers and 4 door shelves. The freezer has 2 shelves and an additional area for storing ice. The exterior of the refrigerator has a stainless steel finish with recessed door handles that give it a clean and elegant look. The unit has adjustable feet for leveling and a water and ice dispenser on the front. The Bosch 800 series uses advanced technology to maintain optimal humidity levels, ensuring that your food stays fresh for longer. The refrigerator also features several customizable options, including adjustable temperature zones and interior lighting. One of the standout features of the Bosch 800 series is its quiet operation. Thanks to its innovative design and insulation, this refrigerator produces minimal noise, making it a great option for those who want a peaceful kitchen environment. The unit also has an energy-efficient compressor that helps reduce electricity consumption and costs. The Bosch 800 series is not without its drawbacks. Some users have reported issues with the ice maker, while others have found the unit to be challenging to keep clean. Additionally, the price tag may be prohibitive for some consumers. Overall, the Bosch 800 series is a high-performance, feature-rich refrigerator that is a great choice for those who want a top-of-the-line appliance for their kitchen. While it does have some drawbacks, its exceptional performance and sleek design make it worth the investment for many users.